put water on their pasta and rice and shit. Bitch, I do, okay? There's a lot going on right now. Whatever. Why is it so hard for men to like multitask for real? My phone is dry, so. Hello. Hey guys, it's me, Jasmine, and today is Tuesday, July 18th. I literally just got home from work. I went into the office today. Yes, I'm wearing the same crew neck as the other vlog because don't worry about it, okay? Like, I just watered my plants and I just saw that there's a little sprout at the top. Look at that. I gotta repot these. I never did, but look at that. They're actually thriving. They're alive. Look at that. Okay, I had to cut her off a little bit, and I was gonna cut this one off, but this one had a little sprout too. So, I don't know. I think they're thriving. Help me figure out how, like, what, is it dead? I feel like this part is dead, and then like this part is green. I don't fucking know. I don't really have a green thumb, but it's working. So, I'm starving. I'm so sleepy. I'm ready to lay down. I'm just complaining right now. But I have a clean house. If you didn't watch my other vlog of me deep cleaning, go watch it. I love natural light. It's so much better. Okay, so I made hibachi last night, chicken fried rice, and I had it on my like little stovetop thing, or what is it called? Flat grill? Fuck, I don't know. So I was chefing it up, and I'm about to eat that right now because my stomach is touching my back right now. Like dead ass. So today at work, my boss is back from maternity leave, so we just went out to lunch, caught up with her, and then we went to the photo studio. I'm a marketing specialist, if I didn't say that before. But I just went to the photo studio, did a little tour, and that's all. I had one meeting, no, 2 meetings today. So it was a pretty chill day. Going into the office, oh my god, I be dreading that shit. Cause I'm a hybrid, like I work from home and in the office, so I just be wanting to work from home every day. I saw this TikTok that said they don't know who put water on their pasta and rice and shit. Bitch, I do, okay? It brings the moisture back. I don't know why people were acting so confused. I'm gonna insert the TikTok if you don't know what I'm talking about. But I don't understand why people were so confused on what that meant. Like, it's just bringing moisture back. You put it in the microwave. Like, come on. I need some water. Child. Yeah, Romy. Mama's going through it. Should I have a glass of wine? I'll wait till after I eat. I'm gonna pour myself a glass of wine. Whatever. I think I'm just gonna lay on that couch and watch Love Island. Right, Romy? You gonna lay with me? You gonna lay with me? Whatever. Oh, I'm about to carry all this on one trip. Like, I feel like men cannot do this, and I don't understand why. Like, why is it so hard for men to like multitask for real? Cheers! Everyone hydrate. Excuse me? Look at him. Come here. I'm not going down there. I'm chilling. I gotta oil my scalp and put some mousse on these braids because I didn't do that this morning. Tell me why I woke up at 7:20, right? Or 7:15. And I gotta, I usually gotta be out the door if I wanna be on time at like 8:30 or whatever. And I thought when I woke up at 7:15, I thought it was 8:15. So I woke up rushing. I'm like, oh my God, who let me sleep this long? Like, blah, blah, blah. I was so pissed. All to find out that I'm actually early as fuck. And this is the time I'm supposed to wake up. I'm not late. Then I went back to sleep and then I was late. So, okay, y'all. I'm about to eat. Let's relax. I'm gonna chill for a minute. I'll check in with y'all later. I want to make some cookies after this. So, cookies and wine. That sounds amazing. Okay, bye.
Get some in now, cut your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now.
I'm so bored. I have my glass of wine. My cookies are in the oven, as you just saw. And my phone is dry, so that's cute. Cheers. I was just posting a video on YouTube, so I'm about to watch it. I just filmed like a little TikTok, and earlier I was like, oh, I want to make a TikTok to one of Don Toliver's songs, so I think I'm going to use that song.
I should have given from you best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. You don't care. I'm trying to be in your sense. This is urgent. Trying to make some simple change. Let me a war in my mind. Gotta let go when he was holding me. Choose the right, but I will be looking for me.
Hey y'all. I just finished editing this vlog up until here. I think I'm gonna vlog tomorrow too. Yeah, I put my glasses on because my contacts and allergies were just messing with me. Oh my, sir. Guys, I have another cat, but he's like just he's very timid. Like, he just be to himself for real. But he's my handsome Nemo. Aren't you a handsome boy? Yeah. Like, he's even scared of me sometimes. He cuddles with me every single morning. And when I take my naps, he's right there under me. But like I said, on his terms. You're so handsome! Okay, alright. Whew. Okay, y'all. We're finally in bed, and yes, I have this big ass bonnet on with my glasses. I don't give a fuck. But yeah, I'm about to watch Miss Nazanin, and then there's me. If you didn't watch my vlog, go watch it from yesterday. And Miss Monet. Right, y'all. Good night. What it is, ho? What's up? Every good girl needs a little thug. I don't know. It's too fucking late. Is it? Okay. I'm gonna feed them. I'm gonna go to work. And I will see you guys when I get home. Okay. You know what? Forget about it. But I am getting ready and I'm rushing. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 6:15 p.m.
It's 6:15. I have 15 minutes to do my makeup. I just did my hair. I got out the shower. I'm fresh out of work, and I'm going to meet my friend. We were supposed to go to a Big Time Rush concert, but I was lazy and didn't want to drive an hour to the concert, and then like driving back would have been hell. I don't give a damn what they think. Motherfucking fuck. Do you give a fuck, nigga? Maybe you're too friendly. lot going on right now. I just finished. It is 6:33. I'm actually on time. Oh. I'm actually on time. Here's what I'm wearing. Just some ripped jeans and then this green top from Shein. Very earthy, very cute. I just put my hair back and just did basic makeup. You just saw my makeup, but yeah, I'm gonna record on my phone, so I'll talk to you guys, or I'll see you guys at the restaurant.